This is the world of lab-grown meat that has been trucking along for years. The way this works is you take a few little cells from an animal. In theory, you could take just one cell. This is a totally harmless, almost undetectable little biopsy. So you pop off a cell from an animal's muscle. You can also take it from the skin and reprogram that into a stem cell and then differentiate it into a muscle cell. But it's easier if you just start with a muscle cell. Then, what do you do with that little cell? You put together the right cocktail of nutrients and growth factors, and you stick it all in a little petri dish or a bigger bioreactor, and that single cell starts to divide and divide and divide until eventually you've got lots of cells. And what is that? It's a chunk of meat. That's all meat is, of course, just a hunk of muscle tissue made of lots and lots of little cells. Now, in practice, people typically co-culture some fat cells in there too to get the marbling of meat. And that's it. This is the stuff of burgers and sausages and nuggets. This is real meat, just without the animal who had to be raised and then killed. In this case, the animal is still walking around out there, totally unaware that it is a donor to the future of human food consumption. In theory, with the right setup, you'd never have to return to that animal again. You could just keep those cells dividing, growing batch after batch, a potentially infinite supply of burgers without killing a single animal. Now that's pretty revolutionary. Part of the benefit is the ethics, no more slaughterhouses, no more factory farms. And there's also the environment too. Livestock is what gives 15% of greenhouse gas emissions. A cow is basically a methane factory on 4 legs. And over a lifetime, a cow's water usage is astronomical. So growing meat in a lab could dramatically reduce our ecological footprint.